Most people think AI is just another tech trend, like crypto, like NFTs, like the metaverse. That belief is going to cost millions of people their jobs, because AI isn't coming someday in the future. It's already here, quietly replacing work faster than anyone expected. And the scariest part? Most people won't even realize it happened. Right now, companies aren't announcing layoffs because of AI. They're doing something way smarter and way more dangerous. They're just not rehiring. A position opens up. Instead of posting it on LinkedIn, they automate it. One AI tool replaces one role, then another replaces another. No headlines, no warnings, just fewer humans on payroll. Customer support is automated. Marketing copy is automated. Design, video editing, scheduling, bookkeeping, all being replaced piece by piece. And this isn't theory, this is happening right now. Here's the truth nobody talks about. AI doesn't need to be better than you to replace you. It just needs to be cheaper. If an AI is 80% as good as a human but costs 95% less, companies will choose the AI every single time. That's why entry-level jobs are the most vulnerable. If your job involves repetitive tasks, basic writing, simple analysis, data entry, scheduling, or support, you're already competing with machines. And the competition doesn't sleep, it doesn't complain, and it doesn't ask for raises. But here's the part that actually matters. AI isn't just destroying jobs. It's creating leverage. For the first time ever, one person can do the work of 10. A solo creator can replace a small team. A one-person business can operate like a startup. Someone with the right tools can out-earn people with degrees. The people who lose are the ones who ignore this shift. The people who win are the ones who adapt early. AI rewards speed. It rewards curiosity, and it rewards people who are willing to learn instead of panic. This channel exists to help you stay ahead of that curve. If you want to learn how AI is actually being used, how people are leveraging it, and how to position yourself on the winning side of this shift, make sure you're subscribed. And as a thank you for supporting the channel, we're running a $250 giveaway once we hit our next subscriber milestone. Details are in the description below. AI is not the end, but it is the end of doing nothing.